Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another new release video. You guys know that I do these videos to show you guys all the new releases that are in my shop, and there's a couple of updates that I want to talk about in this video. So before I get into showing you guys what is new, I'm gonna let you guys know that I'm not putting any of this on our Etsy shop. If you guys haven't heard, there's some big changes happening with Etsy, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna shut down my Etsy shop. I kind of want to see how these new changes play out, how they work and everything before I make that decision. But I have made the decision for the time being to not release anything new on Etsy, because when you put new stuff on Etsy, you have to pay a listing fee, and I don't know that I want to keep continuing with Etsy because of the new changes. But like I said, I don't know. I'm kind of like in this standstill of like, what do I do? So in the meantime, I've just decided that all new releases are going to be up on my website only. So I apologize if you guys are fans of shopping on Etsy. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I don't really want to get into it too much in this video, but there's just been some changes that are just not cool for shop owners. And so a lot of shops are considering switching off of Etsy. It's just this whole big ordeal. But like most things, I feel like it'll kind of calm down soon. And that's why I don't want to make a rash decision to close. I just want to see how this plays out, because it could be a change for the better. I don't know. I just need to see how it works and everything. But like I said, in the meantime, I don't want to put money into it if I ultimately like am leaving, you know? So anyway, that's the first update, but let's get into what is new in the shop this week. So I have 4 new collections to show you guys, and you guys know a collection is like our full kit, which mixed in with the a la carte sheets, and then the PP Weeks sheet, and then a Hobonichi kit. So let's get into it. So the first kit, I'm gonna zoom you guys in because I feel like it's really far away. So the first kit is a reformat from last year, and this is Pool Party. I loved this kit last year, you guys. I love the colors. I love just the artwork is so beautiful. The artist did such an amazing job. That's what it looks like. This is perfect for summer, and it makes me want to like go to a pool party. I'm not a huge like pool fan, but like, I don't know. This is making me want to like have a pool party. And then of course you have the PP Weeks sheet, which is basically the full boxes, some washi, and then some labels. And the reason I only do 1 sheet is because everything's offered a la carte. So you could literally just like pick and choose what you wanted. Like you could seriously get like this sheet and that sheet and have, you know, maybe everything that you need for the PP Weeks. So yeah, everything is a la carte. I mean, this kit comes in a bundle, so you can get all the pages together for like a little bit of a discounted price, or you can get each sheet separately and you can mix and match to fit your needs. So that's why there's only 1 PP Weeks sheet, because all the other stickers I feel like will fit and work just fine in the print impression weeks, so I didn't need to make like a separate kit for it. Next up is also another reformat. This is called Bloom. I love this kit. I think it's perfect for spring. I love the colors. It's just so pretty. And the quote box says, "Bloom where you are planted." It's just giving me all the spring vibes, which I really need those because it has been kind of dreary. It was actually super nice today. The sun came out, but it's just been... It's been a long winter, I feel like. We need some spring in our lives. So I'm super excited that we're getting into the springtime. And then again, you just have your PP Weeks sheet. And it's just basically the same thing as the full boxes. I mean, you know. The next kit is Spring Flowers. And I don't think the camera is doing this kit justice. But this is a new kit, and it's basically the same artwork that I used for our May monthly. I just loved it so much that I wanted to put it in a weekly kit. So that's what I did. So I named it Spring Flowers, and the quote box says, "Stop and enjoy the flowers," because I feel like it's important to just stop and enjoy the flowers and slow down. Life can get so crazy. I love the colors, you guys. They're just so pretty. They're a little bit different than the colors I chose for our monthly. The blue in the monthly is a lot darker, but that's because I'll show you guys in a minute, but here's that sheet. And then there you go. The reason that it's darker in the monthly kits is because I was matching it to like the darkest blue that you find in the flowers. So that's why that was different, in case you guys were curious, or I don't know. And then you have the PP Weeks sheet. It's just so beautiful, you guys. I love it. All right, and the last collection is our ice cream collection. If you know me, you know how much I love ice cream. And I love this kit. I love the bright colors. It just is perfect for summer. And I know we're not even into spring yet, but I'm already thinking ahead. Like, we need warmer weather, all the bright, fun colors. I just, you know, thinking ahead, getting ahead of myself. But this quote box says, all you need is ice cream. And I feel like that is like the motto of my life. All I need is a good ice cream, like little pint of ice cream. I say little, but we all know it's a lot. Like I said, if you know me, you know I'm obsessed with ice cream. And I'm currently doing the Whole30, so I can't have ice cream, but you know, it'll be fine. I can live without it, but I would rather not have to live without it, you know? And then again, the PP Weeks sheet is just, looks like that. So that is the ice cream collection. Now we're gonna get into the Hobonichi Weeks kits, which you guys know they're just 3 pages like this. So you have your ice cream kit. It just looks like that. Then the pool party one. Oops, I'm trying to like show them to you guys like that. Yep, like that. And then these are seriously the exact same as they were last year. And then I added the spring flowers. You guys know that's a new collection. It's just so beautiful. I'm obsessed with the colors, you guys. I'm obsessed. And then Bloom, I don't think I had Bloom in, where's the other sheet? Oh, I don't think I had Bloom in the Hobonichi format last year, because I'm not sure why, but I don't think I had it, so I added it this year. Okay guys, so those are all the new releases. I covered them not being on Etsy. Everything's just gonna be on the website for a little while, and if I choose to stay with Etsy, obviously I'll let you guys know and I'll keep you updated on that. Other than that, we do have a coupon code that can be used. However, it is only from here on out, the coupon code that I give in the new release video is only gonna cover the new releases, which means that it's only gonna discount these, and anything else in your cart will just be full price. So it won't be like 20% off your entire order. It's just gonna be 20% off, you know, any of the new releases. So if you order only new releases, then it's 20% off of your order. But if you order like new releases and something else, you're not gonna get the discount on that other thing. So I wanted to kind of make that clear for you guys. I really, you know, I don't want to do 20% off my website every single Friday. So I figured 20% off, like that's the best deal that you're going to get on new releases. Like when they first hit the shop, it's the best deal that you're going to get, unless we have like a big sale, or if you have another coupon code. But the only coupon codes I know of, there's a thank you one that is on like the cards that you get in your orders, and there's also a YouTube one, which I believe is in the description box, but they're not 20%. They're smaller discounts. So 20% is the largest that you're gonna get, and it can only be used when these go live for like that weekend. And then, like I said, we will have sales and stuff, but I don't know when, and they're not gonna be as often. So it's not gonna be like 20% off the entire website every week. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. You know, like I said, I just was realizing like 20% off every single weekend for everything was just kind of a bit much. So I wanted to just keep it to the new releases. So hopefully you guys understand and you're cool with that. Obviously, if you guys have like rewards points and stuff like that, that'll work for the entire site. Like it's not just, you know, 20% off here or whatever. Rewards points are for the entire site. You can still use those. I'm just talking about like the coupon code that I'm giving out for 20% off is only for these products. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. I would love to know. And when you're watching these are live. Like I said, there's gonna be a code. I'll put it right here. It is only good for this weekend, the 28th, 29th, the 1st, yeah, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So the 28th, 29th, and the March 1st. So they're only good for then. So if you want them and you want a good deal on them, definitely go check them out this weekend. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.